So stay tuned for the next Innovation Zone test of this phone. We'll see what kind of abuse we can put it through. Well, this is the last test we have of the Samsung S8 Active, and most people don't drop their phones out of their cars on purpose, but I'm going to do it just because I can. Now, that was my actual durability test for today. Watch this. Still works. That's impressive. Well, I dropped it from a tree stand, I tossed it in the river, and now I just ran her over my truck and it's still working. I'm impressed. Let's go hunting.